Okay, show us, Darren. This is the new Liberty from Ecolo. Darren just put it together and rolled right by. We're not laughing, it's just his face. But, oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, articulated steering.
Oh my God.
So, yeah, pretty much does a 360.
And I think it weighs about 60 pounds.
Yeah, I'd say it's probably somewhere in there.
Yeah, I can hear the motor. You know, I've never heard of that kind of steering before.
Well, it's just all four wheels, right?
Yeah.
Like
Oh yeah, I can see that.
It's like a remote control. Like you can hear the servos.
Yeah.
The servos turning the wheels.
Yeah. Well done, Ecolo. I like it. It folds up nicely too. So this is kind of like your upgrade to the city. A little more sturdy. 24 volt, 11.6 amp hour lithium. Yay. Here, take a video of me.
Anybody could put that together.
Yeah.
It's there's no really even putting together. A couple of thumb screws. You don't need any tools.
Power. Oh, speed.
Yeah.
Of course you had it on high. Oh, take a little bit to get used to.
Yeah, it's a little. It's pretty sensitive.
There we go. Yeah, it takes a little bit to get used to, but it's nice. It's got a nice slow stop to it. So I want to turn the corner here. I should probably turn it down.
So when you let go, does it go back to true center?
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah?
That's good.
Yeah.
So you know when you're starting, you're not starting turning or anything.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is cool. Stock's nice. Oh, yeah, I think they are $25.95 or $26.95.
So it's not like it's not like a zero turn like the medical ones, but the articulated one, it's pretty close.
Oh, I just...
Like you're not going to get yourself into any trouble with that.
No. Oh, okay. Right on. These are now available, red and black.